Mapeguard UM for ceramic and stone tile is the first underlayment membrane advanced enough to bear the Mapei name. Mapeguard UM can replace the traditional second layer of plywood or bulky cement board in tile and stone installations. This reduces the height and weight of the finished surface. Waterproof and vapor-proof when its seams are sealed, Mapeguard UM is perfect for wet areas like bathroom floors and below-grade installations. This also makes Mapeguard UM ideal for use over green concrete in fast-track tile and stone installations. Applying Mapeguard UM promotes a better cure by controlling the drying of the concrete. Thanks to Mapeguard UM's tri-layer design, the mat lays flatter and requires less effort to fill the cavities with mortar. Unlike a rigid cement board, Mapeguard UM uncouples tile from the substrate below, minimizing cracking and debonding. Another innovation of Mapeguard UM is its translucent properties, allowing the installer to see mortar coverage beneath the mat. Plus, the advanced surface design of Mapeguard UM allows for better visibility of chalk lines. Drying channels are built into Mapeguard UM to allow the use of modified mortar with porcelain tiles, consistent with industry recommendations. For tile and stone installations requiring speed, waterproofing, crack isolation, low profile, and a polymer-modified mortar, Mapeguard UM is the clear choice.